Take out the main unit and all accessories. The instrument comes with 2 spare fuses, which can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument when it is broken. Take a screwdriver to slowly pry open the location where the fuse is installed, remove the broken fuse, and replace it with the spare fuse. Mounting filter. There are 4 small sealing rubber rings on the jack. Unscrew the filter. There are 2 bigger rubber rings on the interface of bottle below. All these rings could be replaced with the spare ones in the accessory bag in case of breakage. Note: filter must be plugged in right position along correct direction. Avoid reverse direction or incorrect position. Incomplete plug-in may result in no negative pressure or air leakage. Mounting accessory holder. Body vacuum and RF handle. Connect the laser pad to the connection cable. Lable laser pads. Bipolar RF handle. Body RF handle. Cavi handle. Face RF handle. Put all the mounted handles into the corresponding accessory rack in turn. Power cord. After all parts are mounted, turn on the machine.